And President Trump called for unity while addressing the nation from the Oval Office on his administration's new steps to control coronavirus outbreak in the U.S.
38 people have now died due to the virus, with over 1,000 cases spread across about 40 states and the District of Columbia. Deborah Alfarone is at the White House with more.
President Donald Trump announced a 30-day suspension of travel from Europe to begin Friday at midnight, with an exception for the United Kingdom.
And taking early, intense action, we have seen dramatically fewer cases of the virus in the United States than are now present in Europe.
The president also asked Congress for an additional $50 billion in funding for small business loans and says he will call on the IRS to delay the April 15th tax deadline for certain businesses and individuals.
I will always put the well-being of America first.
Stocks plummeted after the World Health Organization changed its assessment of the outbreak.
COVID-19 can be characterized as a pandemic.
At a hearing on Capitol Hill, the nation's top expert on infectious diseases issued a dire warning to lawmakers.
We will see more cases and things will get worse than they are right now.
Treasury Secretary Steven Mnuchin and House Speaker Nancy Pelosi have been meeting in person and over the phone to try and find some common ground over a coronavirus stimulus package. House Democrats say they have legislation that will call for free testing, paid sick leave, expanded unemployment insurance, and SNAP increases. They plan to bring it to a vote Thursday.
This is fundamentally what the American people need, and it's fundamentally what the American economy needs.
The Capitol is expected to cancel public tours as entities around the U.S. take steps to mitigate the spread of coronavirus. Late Wednesday, the NCAA announced that only essential staff and limited family members will be allowed to attend March Madness tournament games. Deborah Alfarone, CBS News, the White House.
Now, the president's temporary ban on travel from Europe does not apply to U.S. citizens who have undergone appropriate screenings. Health officials are expected to be back on Capitol Hill tomorrow to face more questions.